Do you want to be a successful YouTuber? Astrology has answers. Astrology has always been a fascinating subject for me. The idea that the alignment of planets and stars can influence our lives and destinies is both intriguing and mysterious. And now, with the rise of platforms like YouTube, it seems that even our creative pursuits can be influenced by the positions of celestial bodies. I've always been drawn to the idea of becoming a YouTuber. The thought of sharing my thoughts, ideas, and creativity with a global audience is both exhilarating and daunting. But as I delve deeper into the world of Vedic astrology, I can't help but wonder if the stars have already aligned in my favor. Let's find out. Firstly, Ketu in the third house. Ketu is the node of detachment and is associated with creative expression. When Ketu is placed in the third house, which rules communication, creativity, and self-expression, it can indicate success in creating engaging content that resonates with a wide audience. Secondly, Jupiter in the fifth house, which is the planet of expansion, abundance, and creativity. When Jupiter is placed in the fifth house, which rules creativity, children, and recreation, it can indicate success and fame in creative pursuits like YouTube. Thirdly, Mars in the first house is like a lot of energy, drive, and motivation. When Mars is placed in the first house, which represents the individual's personality and self-image, it can indicate a strong desire to express oneself creatively and connect with a large audience. Fourthly, Venus in the ninth house. Venus is the planet of beauty, art, and creativity. When Venus is placed in the ninth house, which rules higher knowledge, spiritual pursuits, and global connections, it can indicate success in creating content that inspires and uplifts others. Fifthly, Rahu in the 10th house, which is the north node of the moon and represents ambition and drive. When Rahu is placed in the 10th house, which represents career and public image, it can indicate success and recognition in one's chosen profession or passion. Now let's look at the astrological yogas for a success in the creative field. Graha Yuddha Yoga. Sometimes planetary wars are good. A planetary war between creative planets like Mercury, communication, Venus, art, and Mars, energy, can indicate a clash of energies that can lead to innovative and engaging content. The other yoga is the Sarala Yoga, which is a combination of planets like Venus, Mercury, and Jupiter in certain houses or aspects can create Sarala Yoga, which indicates ease of expression and natural talent. But astrology is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly succeed as a YouTuber, one needs to focus on developing my creative skills, being consistent in creating high-quality content, engaging with their audience, and continuously improving the craft. The stars may guide us, but it is the hard work, dedication, and persistence that will ultimately determine my success. So, as we embark on this journey to become a successful YouTuber, we should keep in mind the lessons of Vedic astrology. We should stay true to our unique voice and style, learn from feedback and criticism, and strive to inspire and uplift others with our content. So, if you too dream of becoming a successful YouTuber, I encourage you to explore the world of Vedic astrology. Consult MRM Astro Services for a personalized birth chart analysis and gain more insight into your individual strengths and opportunities for success on YouTube or any other creative pursuit. And remember, the stars may guide us, but it is our own hard work and dedication that will ultimately lead us to success. So, keep creating, keep inspiring, and keep reaching for the stars. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more astrological insights and inspiration.